How to cook quinoa grains. Here I have half a cup of quinoa grains, and I'm going to boil the grains. By the way, quinoa grain is known for being rich in fiber and protein. And also, it has many nutritional properties. You can substitute quinoa for rice or pasta once in a while. So quinoa is cooked already. So let's put it in this bowl. So you can create, or you can use your fantasy in mixing quinoa with anything, vegetables, legumes, whatever you like to mix with quinoa. So I put olive oil, and then, okay, this is to break the lumps. Now, this is just an example. I'll add these vegetables. These are cooked. Zucchine, chickpeas, and carrots. So, this one, and parsley. I'll add salt, a little bit more, according to taste. And then let's give it a mix. So that's it. Enjoy!